This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact photo specs on your admit card and official instructions. Once done, position your device at eye level and set the camera to the highest photo quality. Make sure the background is plain and evenly lit to avoid shadows, and frame your head and shoulders centered with a little space above the head. If possible, use a tripod or steady stack of books and enable grid lines to align your face. Take multiple shots so you can pick the best one. You now focus on precise framing and settings. Select Portrait or 4:3, turn off beauty filters, and confirm HDR per rules. Position your face square to the camera, maintain a neutral expression, and keep eyes open and visible. Tilt nothing. Make small lighting adjustments or move a lamp to remove reflections on glasses. Once the framing and exposure look correct, take a burst of 3-5 photos to ensure at least one crisp, properly lit image without motion blur or unwanted shadows. You finish by selecting the best photo and cropping to the mandated dimensions. Save it as JPG or PNG and confirm file size and naming conventions. Before uploading, preview the image on the official form to ensure alignment and clarity. If the system rejects the photo, don't panic. Change to stronger, diffuse lighting, simplify the background, or try a different phone or webcam. Finally, recapture and re-upload promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.